What's up with the bros?
How's it going? Today we will be installing a new clutch cable on Scrappy.
Super cool. But before we do that, we're going to go ahead and pray for today's video, and then we'll get right into it.
Alright, let's go. Dear Lord, thank you for this day. Thank you for blessing us with the ability to buy new parts for Scrappy and work on him. Just pray that you keep everyone safe that is watching this video, and bless everyone that's watching this video. And pray. Amen.
Amen.
Let's get into it. Well, finally got a new clutch cable and finally have the time to put it on, because you see this one is just it's right here. It's non-existent anymore. It's kind of beat up and stretched and torn, but we'll get that out. So first, let's expertly catalog this somewhere.
Ow.
That works.
Perfect execution right there. Hit the cameraman and everything.
Expertly cataloged. Alright. So this is the new one. I just ordered this off like a Honda parts website. It's just a generic, I guess, clutch cable. But it said it would work for 300EX. So
you should be able to find it in the link in our description down below that has the Honda parts.
Yeah, I don't remember which website it was from, but I think it's the same one that was on here already, which it looks to be, which is good. Yeah, it's about the same. So again, let's expertly catalog that on the ground.
This time it didn't hit me. I'm very proud.
Yeah. Alright, first thing, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna set this in here for now, and then come around. Where do I want to run this? I'm gonna run it up along the frame, I think. Now I may change this later. Actually, not right now. It's too tight. Run this up here, and then where did this come out last time?
Right.
Yeah, I'm gonna right up here. And then just take this screw out. I'm just doing this just because I can. I've never done a clutch cable, so I'm learning as I go.
Yeah, this is definitely a big trial and error thing.
I'm learning as I go. And then pop in here, and then that should work for now. Let's hope.
I guess it'll get tighter whenever you have the other side.
Yeah, I need to connect the other side, and then we can adjust from there. So now, this is the part where I didn't see before. You run this through here, and there's a little hoop that you can, let me grab this side. Do that, and then you pop it in there. There we go. And then somehow we might need to get a wrench and then just tighten these bolts.
Expertise hand moving right there. Best
Trying
in the
at
business.
least. I need 2 wrenches. I don't know what size, but do we have wrenches in here?
We do, yeah. Everything's color coordinated.
Okay.
Alright, while he does that, we're going to cut until we get all the parts we need, so we'll see you guys in just a bit.
Yep. Alright, so we got it hooked up here. You take this piece, run it through this little piece right here, and then connect it there. So now we are trying to get it adjusted on this with these 2 bolts. Is that engaging fully? Where's the stop on the stops there? Yeah, we can adjust it back a little bit.
So you're trying to make sure that there's enough tension to pull it all the way so it fully engages?
Yes.
Alright, so, yeah, alright, now that engages, but yeah, we need to, and you may need to loosen this up to where this comes back. I don't know how far it needs to come back. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I think there needs to be a spring or something on here.
It's got a built-in spring inside of it, but
It's just this pieces look like really.
yeah, it's gonna be loose until we can get it finalized. But the main thing is we need to make sure. All right, so put it in gear over there.
It's in gear now.
That's neutral.
I'll put it in second. That's second. I think that's neutral. Nope. That's
Pull in the
neutral.
clutch.
That's neutral.
It's still wanting to run.
Alright,
It'll be
put
loose.
it in first. Try it.
And you still got it. Yeah, it's not disengaging. You should have some free spin on it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And there should be a clip that holds that in place.
Yeah, that doesn't exist.
And that's as far out as it goes. So
That's fully like
Dis-
engaged, and that's fully disengaged.
right.
So
It should be fine. You may just need to adjust that a little bit more.
out or in?
Towards you, I'm assuming.
Well, okay. I can't get much more.
Yeah, we're probably really close.
So what are you talking about? Just so I can understand and the people at
The
home can
clutch
understand.
isn't disengaging.
So it's not fully disengaging? Is that what you're saying?
Right. So when you pull in the clutch, you should automatically. It should be like that one to where when you pull in the clutch, or that one to where it will move, free spin.
Like the wheels will?
wheels.
Yeah, because that's usually how you go down a hill. Is you you pop the clutch and let it go down as you're
Right.
slowly, because like you can disengage and just slide down the hill. Also, if you guys are following along at home and you're trying to do stuff like this, I believe Andrew said that these were 12 millimeter. Now this might not be true, so if you can fact check us in the comment section down below, and if you have any other suggestions, please be sure to drop those down there as well. We're trying to get as much community talk as possible so we can understand more about quads. I mean, Andrew's the guru, but I would like to know more.
It's not very. I can't get it tight. Very tight.
Alright, just for longevity of the video, I'm going to cut until we have a decision, and we'll try and explain what we did while we're doing that. Sound good?
Yeah, that sounds alright. Welcome back. We got the clutch cable installed. We ran it through that little hole I was talking about earlier in the frame and installed all that mess. Got it on, and we tried to use it, and it doesn't want to act like it's working. So we were kind of confused because everything's hooked up, everything moves. The clutch disengages, but it doesn't seem like it wants to do anything in there. So I'm not sure what the deal is exactly.
So it could be like an inner workings problem.
Maybe could be something I did wrong, something I don't know. We don't know yet.
By what you did wrong, you mean like your installation of the clutch cable itself?
Maybe, but I'm not sure. It seems to work fine to me.
It just doesn't
It don't.
have the free
don't.
moving character.
It don't. It don't clutch.
It is no does clutch thing. So you're putting on the gas tank to do what exactly?
Well, we'll see. I mean, it's been sitting. I mean,
Do you think that it because the engine hasn't came on that the oil hasn't circulated or something like that, and it's just not configuring?
honestly, we don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure.
I mean, I can't honestly say one way or the other. So until we actually get it in place and see what it does, I can't honestly tell you.
Well, worst comes to worst, we can get it.
I mean, we can
Fit
crank
on
it up
again.
a few minutes and see if we can get it to engage or do something. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Alright, well they're going to do a little bit more tweaking on it, and then I'll bring you guys back whenever we have it cranked up and going. We have the gas in the gas tank, and we're still working on stuff like that. In fact, Andrew brought some stuff over today. It's actually this right here. It's the JB weld. We were recommended to put vinegar in it and then do some other stuff like that to basically fill up the gas tank so we can get rid of that other small like mini leaks on it.
Very small pinhole.
It's like micro fractures basically. Sorry, I was talking over that. Is the battery dead?
Very dead, yes.
Okay. Are you gonna put a trickle charger on it?
I should have bought I should have brought my lawnmower.
There's a plug right there on the wall. I think it's got some stuff on it though.
Here. Everything.
Oh, so I didn't either, to be honest with you. I forgot that he put his skill saw and stuff like that over there for that reason.
Alright, too loud.
As you hold them together.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready to do the honors? Or at least witness it this time? Whenever it goes. Sorry.
Whoever wants to decide to live.
You gotta give it a few minutes.
Yeah.
Alright, well you're gonna cut then whenever this starts to run, so just be patient and look through the footage.
Yep.
Also, there's gonna be like a big puff of smoke heading in his direction.
Yeah. You think it's just stuff burn off in the exhaust?
Oh, is the engine locked up now?
It might be.
Are you kidding me? Oh no. Because the chain was loose or...
I was seeing if it would work with the clutch.
I think it did it for a second, didn't it?
Yeah, and then it just shut off. So I'm wondering if the clutch, something inside that clutch, either they took the clutch casing out or the clutch seized. I don't think the motor's blown, by no means. It's just, I
Okay.
think the clutch is seized.
Is there any way to fix that?
Yeah, we have to tear the clutch apart.
Alright. Are we gonna do that today?
No.
Okay. I just wanted to ask. But as you guys did see, we finally got it going after a few minutes of getting it to roll over. So. And we also looked like we caused a small fire. You think we could hook it up to the trickle charger and let it charge?
Welcome back. We finished the clutch co install, got everything going. As you see, we tried to put it in gear and then the chain, it was too loose and it decided to lodge itself in the area in between the sprocket and the case. The case is good, chain is good.
Right back there behind that piece of plastic.
Yeah, we just put that piece of plastic back on just to have it on, just so I can have the reversal lever there. Chain is good, we just need to take a link out, tighten it. Everything's good there. We cleaned up the plastics a little bit just because we hadn't done that ever.
Shiny.
And it's shiny now. Like, it actually looks pretty good.
You can see the light reflect off of it now.
Yeah. But,
It's brighter
I
than my
mean,
future.
yeah, we also got the key put back in the right spot and everything. So, all we need to do now, take the links out, fix the chain.
And then maybe we'll run it sometime?
Yeah, hopefully. Just sitting here whacking it down a little bit. But, yeah, I think next video, if our cars play right, we can do a couple other little things and maybe get it running. Who knows?
Look what I did! It's smoking like a freaking freight train, but I got it. I got it to freaking run. Holy cow. The clutch semi works, not really. But I got it to work a little bit. Holy cow.
Efficiently.
Maybe, maybe not. We'll have to figure that out when we get there. But, so that's the end of the video.
Yeah.
Yep. So, we're going to go put everything up, and I guess we will catch you guys in the next video.
Just a few things before we finish out. We're still on our road for 1,000, so be sure to sub if you haven't. Share it with some people that might be interested in the content, but other than that, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys in the outro, and we do appreciate you guys watching if you made it this far, and if you did, maybe throw a comment down in the comment section letting us know your favorite part so we can improve our content.
Yeah.
But other than
this
that,
video was a bit janky. I'm being honest.
yeah, it was kind of thrown together, but
It was a last minute thing.
but yeah, that's usually when our best videos are.
I have been unavailable for the past, like 10 months now.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
we've just been doing some stuff at whim whenever we can.
School is annoying.
Yeah, but before we get too far into this video and elongate it more, we'll go ahead and cut it. So again, thank you guys, and see you next time.
See you.
Bye-bye. What's up, Wheeler Bros? I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and I want to say a huge thank you to your support. It has meant the world to us.
And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free. You can change your mind at any time. Plus, it helps out the channel.
If you guys want to stay connected with us throughout everything we do, please be sure to go follow our links in the description down below. And yeah. Speaking of description, we have links in our description all the way from parks that you guys have seen on the channel, all the way down to our biggest supporter, Mr. Travis Truett at Skyline Signs. And as always, I'd like to say a huge thank you, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.